I'm going to show you how to make this amazing, simple, and classic chicken biryani. What makes this biryani so special? It's the small details. We use only fresh mint leaves without the stems, no whole garam masala spices, and skinless tomatoes. These simple choices create a clean, easy-going, and balanced flavor. The next secret is a powerful homemade stock. I've included the complete ingredient list in the video, so be sure to check it out. Another important ingredient is homemade garam masala powder. In India, we roast whole spices according to the right measurements. For the ginger, garlic, and green chilies, crush them together instead of blending them into a paste. Let's start with the rice today. Wash and soak 400 grams of Jeerakasala rice, then drain it just before cooking. Heat 25 milliliters of ghee and add a few slices of onion. This helps prevent the ghee from smoking and also adds a mild sweetness. Add the drained rice and gently saute it so the grains hold their shape. Then pour in 900 milliliters of the prepared stock. Cover and cook on low heat until the rice is perfectly done, and most of the liquid has evaporated. Hello everyone. Once the rice is cooked, garnish it with fried onions, roasted cashews, raisins, and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now let's prepare the chicken. Heat 40 milliliters of ghee and saute 200 grams of sliced onions for 500 grams of chicken until they become soft and lightly golden. Add the sliced skinless tomatoes, followed by the crushed ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Mix everything well. Now add 5 grams of salt and 5 grams of freshly ground garam masala powder. First, add the chicken and mix until it is well coated with the masala. Next, add freshly chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, and 30 milliliters of yogurt. Mix everything together. Now add some chopped pineapple. It gives a gentle sweetness that balances all the flavors beautifully, without making the biryani taste sweet. Pour in 400 milliliters of water and cook until the chicken is tender. Finally, spread the cooked rice over the chicken. Cover the pot tightly and cook on dum for 6 minutes over low heat. Then switch off the heat and let it rest, without opening the lid, for another 4 minutes. And that's it. Your delicious chicken biryani is ready to serve. Because we use fewer spices and focus on fresh ingredients, this biryani is light, flavorful, and doesn't feel heavy while eating or afterwards. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turns out in the comments. And if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and happy cooking.